To connect Windows 11 Home with Bluetooth device, turn on Bluetooth first, tap connection icon, and then tap Bluetooth uh, icon until blue to turn on Bluetooth. Or if you cannot find connection icon, right click on empty area on the desktop, and then select personalize, tap Bluetooth and devices, and then tap Bluetooth switch until on to turn on, and then tap add device or in here or in devices, for example in add device, and then select Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth in your device, Galaxy Foot Live, and then you can select connect in here or in here. Okay. Now your device was added in Windows 11 Home. Okay, you can tap cancel, and then we can see your device in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.